I am Dr. Shahzad Sarfraz, Director FAST, National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences, Chinnot Faisalabad campus. Beside this, I am heading the Spatial Analytical Research Group, which is focusing on smart tourism, GIS in healthcare, recommender systems, and we are also conducting research on location-based system and its applications for society, earth environment, information retrieval and processing, WebGIS based tools for data gathering and analysis, and similarly we are also focusing on intelligent system based on open source and crowdsource location based data. Our group is providing access to hardware, software and data to conduct research related activities. We have also providing research project consultation to different stakeholders such as digitizing, information retrieval, using drones, etc. Research group is equipped with state-of-the-art hardware and access to GPU server, and we have also licensed softwares, and recently we have added a multispectral drone for capturing earth observation features. We are also publishing our work in reputed journals. Our group have international collaboration with local and international partners such as Pak One Health, ISPRS, and similarly we are conducting research with the local industry as well. The group have enough fund for purchasing of data, hardware as resources, and beside this we are also offering studentship to different hardworking and motivated students. So this group is also running NRPU funding projects, and we have also submitted few more grants to different funding agencies.
I am Mohammad Hamad and I am the part of the Spatial Analytics Research Group. I am doing my research on geospatial and machine learning techniques for predicting student academic performances, and the objective of my research is to find out the mostly used machine learning techniques to predict student academic performances, and the next is to find out the relationship of students' educational factors with their academic performances. The main objective for my research is to build a GIS model that takes into account the geographic location of the students and evaluate different educational strategies based on machine learning techniques to predict their academic performances.
My name is Talham Leer. I am the member of Spatial Analytics Research. I am doing my research thesis on air pollution effect on cardiovascular disease using remote sense images and machine learning techniques to estimate the concentration of air pollution. Also find the correlation between the air pollution factors and cardiovascular risk factors to predict the air pollution effect on human health.
My name is Sahar Ajmal. I have recently graduated from FAST National University. During my research period in the university, I was part of Spatial Analytics Research Group. The topic of my thesis was a hybrid expert system for suggesting publication venue. The objective of my thesis was to suggest publication venue to the researcher.
As a proud member of this research group, I am engaged in the development of web-based GIS applications. We have the latest technology and equipment like dedicated servers, GPUs, and location-based API licensing. Spatial Analytics Research Group members collaborate and share innovative ideas with each other. We are providing real-world solutions to the problems.
My name is Asif Amir and I am part of this Spatial Analysis Research Group in terms of deep learning and machine learning. As we know that machine learning and deep learning has been integrated with all types of fields. So in this research, we are trying to equip the UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle or drone technology with deep learning and machine learning algorithms to solve the real world problems.
I am Numan Shafi. I am a member of Spatial Analytics Research Group, and my contribution in terms of machine learning, data science and statistical analysis. As you all know about the pandemic situation in all around the world, and experts are trying their best to minimize the effect. Keeping in view of this situation, our group is also trying to flatten the curve by mapping the COVID-19 cases. Furthermore, by using machine learning algorithms, we are trying to predict hotspot epidemic cluster and its spreading phenomena.
Looking forward to welcome you to join our research group, and for more information regarding studentship and further details you can visit our campus website or research group website.